Hey everyone, welcome back. You know how much we love getting into the nitty-gritty here, and today, oh boy, do we have a fascinating deep dive lined up for you.
Buckle up because we're talking all about niche products.
Yep, niche products. And before you tune out thinking, oh, this is just for business folks, trust me, this is about way more than just making a buck.
It really is. We've got some great source material here, a snippet that breaks down what exactly a niche product is.
Right. We're going to use that as our jumping off point to explore why this whole niche thing is such a big deal these days. Like, what's the cultural shift behind it?
Absolutely. And how's it changing how we shop, how businesses operate, even how we connect with each other? There's a lot to unpack.
Okay, so first things first, let's set the stage. Define what we're talking about here. What exactly is a niche product, according to your source?
Well, they describe it as a product or service that's targeted at a very specific, often smaller group of customers.
So not just your run-of-the-mill, mass-produced stuff that everyone and their grandma buys?
Exactly. These are products that cater to particular needs, interests, values, you name it.
Okay, I'm getting it. Like, instead of just shoes, it's vegan, ethically sourced orthopedic shoes for marathon runners.
You got it. Or think about, I don't know, subscription boxes for people who love collecting vintage fountain pens. It's super specific.
See, now you're talking. Now that's interesting. But, okay, so we get what they are. But why should we care? Are niche products really that important in the grand scheme of things?
Oh, absolutely. This isn't just some passing fad. It actually reflects some pretty massive shifts in how we think about consumption and identity.
Ooh, okay, I'm intrigued. Break it down for me.
Think about it. In the past, businesses aimed for mass appeal. The goal was to create a product that everyone would want. But
Now things are different.
now it's all about catering to these smaller, super passionate groups. Consumers are looking for products that align with their individual value, their unique identities.
It's like finding a product that gets you on a deeper level. Not just a product, but a reflection of you.
Right. And that sense of connection is incredibly powerful. It's why these niche markets can be so successful, even though they're targeting a smaller slice of the pie.
Because those smaller slices are super loyal. Like if you find that perfect gluten-free organic dog food that actually helps your pup's allergies, you're not going back to the generic stuff.
Exactly. And you're probably going to tell all your dog-loving friends about it, too.
Ooh, good point. That brings up something else I was thinking about, the whole community aspect of niche products. Like people who are into, say, building custom mechanical keyboards, they're not just buying a product. They're joining a whole world.
You hit the nail on the head. Niche products often act as gateways to these vibrant online communities. Forums, social media groups, you name it. People bond over their shared passions, they exchange tips, they learn from each other. It's pretty amazing.
And these communities, they're not just chatting about their hobbies. They're influencing trends, they're driving demand. It's like a whole ecosystem.
They are. And that's why businesses are starting to sit up and take notice. Understanding these niche communities is becoming essential.
So it's not just about creating a cool product anymore. It's about understanding the people who will love that product.
Precisely. Their needs, their values, their online hangouts. It's a whole new way of thinking about marketing and product development.
This is all making my head spin a little, but in a good way. So much to consider.
All right.
All right, before we wrap up, let's bring it back to our listener. What's the big takeaway from all of this niche product talk?
Well, I'd say the next time you make a purchase, take a moment to think about why you're drawn to that specific product.
Yeah, like what is it about that brand of coffee, that type of clothing, that particular gadget that speaks to you?
Exactly. Does it represent something about who you are, what you value? Does it connect you to a community or a larger movement?
Chances are you're already engaging with niche products in some way, maybe without even realizing it.
And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to start your own niche business. The possibilities are endless.
Food for thought, everyone.